interruption of the dance. It was originally from the Empordà region, but it started gaining popularity throughout Catalonia during the 20th century. Stick dance is a dance with the main element are a set of sticks carried by the dancers. In the most common set, 2 rows of dancers elaborate some patterns of stick climbing. The dancers wear white clothes and they also may wear red or blue skirts, as well as ribbons and ornaments. And Catalan rumba is a genre of music that developed in Barcelona Romani community in the 1950s. It has influence from Cuban music and rock and roll.